Hello! Hi friends, it's me, Teacher Asreen. Can you wave hello?
Hello.
Today, we are going to travel to the space. Look, this is the sun. The sun is very hot. Phew! Can you show me hot? All the planets go around the sun in the big circle. That's called an orbit. What we call them? Yes, orbit. Clever. Good job. Let's meet our 8 planets. They all go around the sun. Mercury. This is the closest planet to the sun. Phew, so hot. This is Venus. Bright and shiny like gold. Earth. That's where we lived. This is the Mars, the red planet. This is Jupiter, the biggest one. This is Saturn. It has beautiful rings. And this is Uranus, pin on its side. Silly planet. And this is the Neptune, cold and blue. Good job! We have met all the 8 planets. Now, let's sing together the 8 planet song. Do you want to sing together with me?
Yeah!
Yay! Let's sing together.
Ping pong. We go up to the sky. Let's see our solar system. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Jupiter, Saturn.
Wow, they're big!
Uranus, Neptune, round and round. Go, 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 go. 8 planets. Small, small, so small. Mercury.
So small.
Brightest of all, Venus.
Shiny.
I'm your planet, blue greener.
I love you.
Red and dry, marvelous Mars.
Marvelous!
Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Jupiter, Saturn.
Wow, they're big!
Uranus, Neptune, round and round. Go, 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 go. 8 planets. Super, super, duper, Jupiter.
I'm big!
Hula, hula, pretty Saturn. Hula, hula. Full, full of gas, Uranus. Far from the sun, Neptune.
So far!
Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Jupiter, Saturn.
Wow, they're big!
Uranus, Neptune, round and round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 planets.
Wow! You did amazing today, astronauts. Let's clap hands. See you again next time, Space Explorers. Bye-bye!